Hi AJ, I just want to make this video for you since I'll be out on Friday and I haven't seen you in a few days. We did this translation in class on Thursday, and so I just wanted to make sure that you were all caught up since we're powering through to the end of the year. Alright, so as you can see, it's schematized here. I think I left out a few infinitives I didn't circle, so I just want to run through the translation with you. So you have multi-serwi, right? So it's many slaves. They are slaves, not servants. We talked about this in class, that servants have a choice, slaves don't. So we just want to be clear that they are slaves. They work under the baths. It is hot and dark. The slaves carry wood to the furnaces. 2 slaves are whispering. So this is setting the scene. We're introducing 2 new characters, and they are the slaves, so we're getting a different perspective. And it's working in the baths that we've learned about. So here, they're whispering here, and this is dialogue. So it says, Tempto portare ligna. So I'm trying to carry wood, but it's difficult, says Thalos. This should say ligna, right? So the wood is heavy. Here, it's like literally like the woods, maybe logs, are heavy. Can you help me? And then this other guy responds. He says, Possum agiware te. I am able, I can help you, responds Gallio. And you can help me. I want to escape. And then Thalos is like, this is a terrible idea. So he goes, Quid? A Fuga vis insanos est, which is exactly what I would say too. So he's like, what? You want to escape? You're crazy. You're mad. And he is exclaiming this. They're supposed to be whispering, and now he's exclaiming. And then Gallio goes, st, right? Shh. Custos te audire potest. The guard is able to hear you. The guard can hear you. Gallio whispers. Oh, wow, you know. Custos me audire non potest. The guard can't hear me. He's not able to hear me. He's far away. He's long, you know, it's a sort of repetitive. It's sort of, because abest is he's away, and then longe is over here, it tells you far off, right? So he's away, far off. Maybe he's way far away, and he wants to sleep. How do you want to escape? Asks Thalos. Through the sewer, in the dirty water, I want to escape, says Gallio. Said, but the cloaca, all right, the sewer has a gate. I am not able to open the gate. However, we together are able to open the gate. So it won't work alone, but if he has a partner, they'll get through it. And he says, you're not able to escape through the sewer, right? You can't escape through the sewer, responds Thalos. This is supposed to be nimium. It's cut off, but it's nimium periculosum, right? So it should be, it is too dangerous, like T-O-O. It is too much dangerous. And I don't want to pay the penalty, right? I don't want to be punished. But Gallio's trying to convince him, right? He says, no one is able to see you. It's dark. I beg you, whispers Gallio. The slaves open the gate. Apparently that worked. Apparently that line worked. There's not a whole lot of transition there, but apparently Thalos just like gives up. And it's like, all right, fine. And they jump into the sewer. The guard hears a sound, or I think here they define it as shout, right there. So the guard hears a shout and calls the dogs. And these aren't friendly, cuddly dogs. These are hunting dogs meant to hunt escaped slaves. They're guard dogs. The dogs loudly bark and agitant the servos per cloacam. We talked about this in class a little bit. They figured it out from context, right? So the dogs are barking, and then they're doing something to the slaves through the sewer. And so we decided that agitant, we figured out that agitant would be that they pursue, that they drive the slaves through the sewer. Thalos and Gallio hear the dogs, and they run quickly through the darkness. So this is the part 1 of our of a 2-part story about these 2 slaves. So there you go. That's what we did in class today. Amongst other things, we had a boss battle with some review questions. and I handed out the practice quiz, which I left with the sub for you, but I'll put it on Google Classroom. Okay, so if you have any questions, send me an email, and I will do my best to get back to you. Just as a reminder, we have a quiz on Chapter 5 on Monday, but since you missed a couple days of class, I'm okay with postponing that for you for a day or two so that you feel ready. Okay, I hope you feel better.